Okay, so I'm taking apart my carburetor for the Mercury 9.9, and as soon as I cracked it open, I don't know what this stuff is. No clue. It's just dust inside my carburetor. I have no idea what's in there, and I have no idea how it got in there. This came from a shop exactly 5.4 hours ago, runtime, and then I ran it out of gas to put it away, and here I am like a year later. I went to start it and it wouldn't start. It would want to start over, crank over, but it wouldn't start. So here I am cleaning out the carburetor, and I crack it open and find all this stuff inside with no clue as to what it is. I mean, see what happens. I'm going to clean it up. Got some carburetor cleaner. Got a jar. I'm going to let the jets probably soak in carburetor cleaner for the night, just to make sure everything's kind of broken off, and I'll blast them all out tomorrow, I guess. But yeah, man, I'm at a loss, man. I have no idea what this stuff is. It looks like sawdust. I mean, you know, it smells like a little bit of gas, but man, it crumbles into dust. Stay tuned.